Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to check the file system of a drive in Windows 11 or 10 using command prompt. For this, click on the start button at the taskbar and then type CMD on the right side of command prompt entry. Click on this one, run as administrator. In case Windows prompts, click yes. In command prompt window, you need to type disk part. You can find this one article link in this video description. In case you forget this one, you can copy the required command from there also. Disk part command and press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to disk part prompt. Here you need to type list disk, sorry, list volume. After typing list volume, press enter on the keyboard and beside fs, under fs, you can find your partition file system type such as NTFS, FAT32, etc. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.